Welcome to BotBee. Today in this video we will teach you how to broadcast a personalized message with different data. Let's say you have a consumer's list with different dues and different dates for dues on their account. For example, user A has a total due of $50 and his last date for payment is March 24th, and user B owes $75 in total with a March 28th deadline. We can use a message template with custom fields to broadcast a list like this. To begin, you must import the subscriber list with data. Let's see how to do that. First, go to WhatsApp Subscriber Manager. Select the WhatsApp account from which you want to send a message. Then go to Option and select Import Subscribers. Here BotBee has a sample CSV file. You can download it and see the format. I have already created my user list with 2 more columns with data. You can add more columns if you need. These 2 columns will be added as custom variables to use on the message template. Yes, the subscribers have been added successfully. If you look at a subscriber, you'll notice that the custom variable data has been added to them. Also, the label is assigned to the subscriber. Now let's create a message template. To create a message template, go to Bot Manager and select the WhatsApp account. Then select the message template. Then write the message body. In the message body, we will use the custom field. Save the message template. Let's check the status of the template. Yes, it has been approved. Now let's go to the broadcast. Click on the Create button. It will redirect you to the Visual Flow Builder. Give the campaign a name. Then select Anytime. Select the message template that we have just created. In the Include Label ID, select the label that we have used to upload the subscribers list. It should show the targeted subscribers number. Click on the Save button. Then double-click on the Start Bot Flow and give a name to the bot flow. Finally, save the bot. For each of the list subscribers, it must send a WhatsApp message with the personalized information. Yes, it has sent the WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching the video.